Vlier Products is an AS, ISO, CMMC certified manufacturer of precision mechanical components with over 80 years of manufacturing experience. The Vlier engineering team collaborates with customers to develop standard, modified, and custom components for specialized applications. Our facility produces an extensive catalog of more than 3,300 standard parts, providing reliable commercial off-the-shelf solutions across many industries. We manufacture precision components using durable materials including, but not limited to, steel, stainless steel, nylon, Delrin, ceramics, and more. Our manufacturing capabilities produce spring-loaded devices, quick-release devices, lock pins, and specialized mechanical and custom components that deliver solutions for industry. We manufacture leveling devices and mechanical components designed to support and stabilize machinery and complex assemblies. To enhance durability and performance, we apply various surface finishes such as passivation, black oxide, zinc plating, and gold plating. We maintain quality control throughout our manufacturing processes using ISO 9001 and AS9100 standards, as well as our IT infrastructure using CMMC Level 2 certification. From life-saving medical devices to smart aerospace solutions, our components keep the world running safely and smoothly. We're committed to delivering exceptional precision, durability, and performance in every component we manufacture. Contact Vlier today to learn how our precision parts can support your next project.